And
We throwing money in the airline. We jig it with a hammer, now we like. Throwing money in the airline.
we're in there.
We jig it with a hammer, now we like.
It's a pinnacle, living on a killer
Cool.
code. Never tell me different stories when it comes to killer code. Everybody pinnacle, never tell me killer food. Everybody coming from the hood, on a kidnapping. Everybody stacking by the same cause you never know the stories that are coming from the same blood, living in a pinnacle. Yeah.
We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
Coming with a steam max, bitch with a feedback. I got a 4-4 with a 4-0. Coming in with some mojo with a Gucci bag.
We in here, one don't get, and we ain't fit, can't get in here, we getting lit in here. I don't care, and the girls dancing everywhere, the bottle popping everywhere, the money overflowing everywhere, the swags everywhere, designers everywhere.
We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We throwing money in the airline.
And
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
we're in there. Young T, young living, young Emma, young Bear. Hey, let's run the house. Young Bear, young Bear. Catch him with the pitching, repetition. That's our question, man, intention. Yes, let's get it. Let's get it. You know what time it is. Welcome to another great live stream. We're back. Week 23. We about to make some more plays. Clap it up, guys. Clap it up for another wonderful week. Last week, we did amazing things. Like, I took one trade only. I was sitting on my hands. And I was properly risk managing. Like, that's growth. I think that's growth from my end. So, just growth. I'm taking the inch concept, just 1 inch a day. One minute a day. Get better a little bit of the day. So yes. You know what time it is. You know what time it is. It's time to get started on this live stream. Oh my God. I know y'all excited.
Oh my God!
So we're gonna be doing week 23. It's actually week 24. But I think I missed 1 week. Missed 1 week. You know what? That was on me. Well, guess what? I'm back. I ain't missing no more weeks. I'm trying to work on my discipline. You know, I've been reading the book. The book is called The Mental Game of Trading. Mental Game of Trading. That book, ain't gonna lie, is fire. Book is fire. That book is fire, man. By who is it? Man, but Jared Tendler. Let me share my screen. This book is fire. This book is fire, man. Like, I read it. I've listened to the audiobook like 4 times already, and there's always something new. There's always something new. There's always something new to learn from it. Like, I recommend. I might even buy the hard copy. I might buy the paperback because, man, there's so much shit in here that, oh man, I need to get this book, man. Like, I need a physical copy. One of the goated books. I also have another goated book. Trading in the Zone. Trading in the Zone is goated as hell too. Trading in the Zone, goated. Best Loser Wins, goated. I need to get this one. How to day trade for a living. But you know what, man? Like, this is growth. This is what trading is all about. Just growth, right? No sponsor. I'm not gonna put it up there. I get my ass sponsored. No free advertisement. But Man, I'm excited, bruh. I'm excited for this live stream. We're about to get into it. But before we get into it any deeper, man, go show some love to my YouTube channel. We've been stuck. Ain't gonna lie, it's probably because I don't upload any shorts. I ain't uploaded a shorts like in months. Sheesh. Let's do a little review. Microsoft, as you can see, Microsoft also broke the support, came back, been testing around, and then boom, broke below it. Is it gonna go below, make a new low after this 380? That was 3 level and push maybe to the 350, 360 level. I'll love that. I'll love to see that next week. You know, because I'm in a call right. I'm in a put right now. All right, I'm gonna put. That's around. That's around March 24th. Last time, dang, Microsoft. Happened in March 24th. But that was a banger. That was a banger trade. Hold on. Let's go back. March 24th. I don't know what time frame. March 24th. But yeah, that was a banger play right here. Let's go to the smaller time frame. I think I was looking at the smaller time. March 24th. Sheesh. Damn. In March. March 24th. Boom. Mm-mm-mm. You need to trade. Look at the slide. Sloop. Beautiful slide. Boom. Go below support. Ah. 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 Oh man. Right here. Miss. Wasn't a miss. Been getting into it. I didn't get into it because like averages wasn't crossing. But wait a minute. We ain't done though, because it's not over. Not over. It's over and over and over. I want you back. All right. I'm already getting distracted. Just change my. Just be a little more realistic with my stop losses. And then going on to Tesla. Man, like I've been waiting. Yeah, I thought Tesla's gonna break above, you know, and then but look, there's weakness. There's a lot of selling pressure. Selling pressure on Tesla. I'm looking at this right here. There was some more selling too. Look at that. I made a little. Was it broke that? Bought that. Bought that again. All right. All right. That's enough for that though, man. I'm gonna drop more shorts for y'all. We'll drop more shorts. I don't know when I'm gonna drop them shorts for y'all, but I'm gonna drop them shorts, dang. Drop them shorts. But let's get into it. Today's meat of the bone. Always love earnings. Earnings. McDonald's. It looks like we have a dry earnings week. A little dry earnings week. So Quantum, one of these stocks that been going crazy. Quantum Corporation earnings. And then what is this? Accenture. Kroger's dropping earnings. They always perform really good in Q1, so expect some good earnings in Kroger. And then got CarMax is dropping their earnings too. CarMax is dropping earnings. And then there's Gabo Circuit Inc. How the hell you will say this? Meaning of this shit. What's the meaning? AI. Manufacturing service company. Specialized in electronics manufacturing supply chain. Founded in 1966. Headquartered in Petersburg, Florida. Gabel. There's various industries, including healthcare and all of that. It's pretty cool. CarMax. Let's check out CarMax, man. CarMax. I need to low key use my list, man. List is freaking packed. Bro, CarMax been on the tear. Thanks. Yes. Finally. Max on the tear. Jesus. Wow. CarMax has been on a tear. Ended by to report earnings. Yoski. Don't sleep on CarMax, yo. Price broke the resistance, this annual resistance too. Hey man, I'm gonna buy me some CarMax. When their earnings dropping? Wednesday too. Ooh, earnings dropping Wednesday too. CarMax. Ooh, earnings looking great. So let's do a little weekly recap. So what's going on? Monday is the industrial production and capacity utilization U.S. Federal Reserve Housing Market Index National Association of Home Builder. And then Tuesday, what's going on Tuesdays? Home housing starts, U.S. Census Bureau, import and export prices, U.S. Bureau of Labor stats come out. Wednesday, U.S. Federal Reserve includes 2-day policy meeting with Chair Kevin Warsh, holds press conference. Retail sales, factory orders, U.S. Census Bureau, and then with pending home sales, National Association of Realtors. Thursday, we got the conference order, a board meeting, economic index, weekly unemployment claims dropping on Thursday. And then U.S. Department of Labor. Then Juneteenth is the holiday. Juneteenth. Markets are closed. So we're gonna have a short week. Juneteenth. So this is how on the Forex Factory, the retail for sales are dropping. So and President Trump speaks at AM on Wednesday. So Wednesday is going to be a lot of volatility. Really, manufacturing index and unemployment claims are dropping. Thursday. So Wednesday is going to be a lot of movement, and it's going to be like a Friday. So look out for that. So I also wanted to get into my man's Warren Buffett, Warren Buffettski. So he got a whole lot of Apple, bro. I ain't gonna lie. He got a lot of Apple. He got a lot of this is Amex, and what is KO? KO. Back up. KO. Who's KO? Yo, Coca-Cola. Oh, I should have known that. I ain't gonna lie. It's embarrassing. Embarrassing. Bro, I got a lot of stocks. I got Zillow on here. Zillow's being cooked. That would be. Sheesh. All right. Man, my streams everywhere. I'm just struggle streaming today. I am struggle streaming. Man. I'm easily distracted. Got Google on there. Added some Google. And definitely gonna buy some Google and Coke shares. Need to be buying some Google and Coke shares. Other than that, let's see what the stock market is doing. So as you can see, we have a new player on the list. It is SpaceX. Put a one in the chat if you bought any SpaceX, because I'm about to buy some, even though there's a lot of bullshit news around it, being like $400. And you know what's wrong with that? Like I feel like it's valid, 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 valid. Valid buy, valid buy, valid buy. Um, 'Cause shit, you never know where this shit can lead. 20 years from now. So I'm gonna buy it and I'm gonna be chilling after it. I'm gonna be chilling. Sheesh. Ooh. Damn, look what Microsoft Meta did. Meta needs support. Continue broke out. Okay. Yep. Oh, I support. All right. Meta failed. Microsoft continue to slide. Jesus Louises. Jesus Louises. Jesus Louises. It's dropping. Dropping like flies. Dropping like flies. Dropping like. All right. Struggle stream, bro. Easily distracted. All right, let's clean these charts up though. Next week. Clean these charts up for next week. All right. Boom. Starting off with Meta. What's going on with Meta Ski? Let me clear all these up. I clear these. Tesla. I've been back testing a lot of Tesla. I'm liking the way Tesla moves, though, I ain't gonna lie. Gotta be very patient. Be very patient. So starting off with Meta, still signs of look at that price just rejecting that of a hard. And then we just do a little bit of this. Look at this. Look at this. Let's drop a weekly boom. Ooh, it's not so pretty. But yeah, like that support. Like this support better. And from a little more details. Yeah, prices is rejecting this resistance hard. Price is rejecting this resistance hard. But look left, trade right. Look left, trade right. That's what I would say. That's what S&B Capital even says. Look left, trade right. So what we seeing to the right, what we're seeing to the left, we'll trade to the right. All right. Ooh, rhyming accidentally. Rhyming accidentally. Drop the resistance, drop the support. You know what I'm saying? Let me be entertaining. Let me be entertaining, man. This is a live stream, man. Let me make this shit watchable. Let me make shit like you're not falling asleep while you're watching me. So as you can see, price is failing to break this resist. We were making lower lows, lower low, but guess what? We turned around here, came back, rejected this week. Price rejected it for the 640 level. Price rejected the 640 level, but guess what? Underneath the 580 level, price continued to drop. Guess what? We're seeing a little bit of buyers push this level right here. And are we're gonna push to the 520 level. See what price action we get around here. We might be looking like we might go lower. Might be looking like it can go lower. It's looking like pricing go lower. Pricing go lower if it wants to. Like even let's see on this little trend right here. And straight up. Ooh. That I don't know. We putting shit on the chart. Make it look pretty, but I don't see nothing pretty right now. But I don't know. I'm just gonna look at price action. Oh man, Microsoft contracts are so expensive. Microsoft contracts are not for the weak. You gotta have big dough to trade options with Microsoft, man. I mean, not Microsoft, Meta. Meta's contracts are for big dough. Big dough. You gotta have big dough, big account to be able to trade these. Even though price was moving pretty well, underneath support, price continued downward. Especially when it closed below it too. And are we gonna continue? The last time we were here, see all this choppiness, had a little chop, and look at this week of inconsistency, choppiness, and boom, dropping down. That's like a few weeks, almost a month. This is a month of price just staying, uh, this range right here, range. I guess what? I don't know. Sellers are stronger. Sellers are stronger. They're dropping dividends Monday, so might see a gap down or gap up. Let me see. I'm moving. Let me go in the 4 hours. See if we have any movement in after hours. Let's see. Our movement was just fairly solid, just calm and contained. So moving on to Microsoft. Bearish engulfing. Bearish engulfing. A sign of continuation on the downside. A sign of continuation on the downside. A sign of continuation on the downside. Boom. So not gonna lie, this was a trade. Man, I really gotta improve my focus. Improve my focus. So with this right here, I'm not feeling like it's focused. It's more like I don't know. I didn't see it. I wasn't paying attention to specific stock. I was really paying attention to Tesla more. Um, as you can see, price went below price. Guess what? I don't know. My thing is, I don't want it to be a case of reversal right here. But in my retest the $400 level, Microsoft might retest that $400 level and go back to continue showing off. We might see in this upcoming week, and we have a short week too. It was a short week. Anything can happen. A lot of news. Trump is speaking. Chair is speaking. Interest rate discussions are happening, so I can happen. Go to Tesla. So off of Tesla, another. I don't know. I feel like also weak portion. Not weak. I'm not gonna say weak. I'm gonna say price is indecisive a little bit because we have like you know we were pushing. Now we have a red month, but we almost halfway through June. Halfway through June. Halfway through June. Through June. Look at this. Dang, whole different perspective now. Perspective. Distance, support. We have our support level. Um, Be careful about Tesla. Tesla. Opportunities in the Tesla Tay. Especially this 410 level. Easy buys. Let's go to Google. We're showing signs of weakness. 4 weeks straight red candles. And then like we broke. Okay, we sold off, but look at this. Google is fighting this level right here. We have indication above here too. We have an indication above here. Like might be some re-entry levels, right? Might be at some re-entry levels. Say that again. Yes, some sold, got oversold. Go back a little bit, but we're in this $50, 50 level on RSI. So like Google breaks this, and then we get above all them, we're gonna be good. Oh, good. all good in the hood. Google ski. Then let's go to Apple. Apple on the monthly. Looking bearish. But guess what? In June turn around though. We got 15 days though. Got 15 days. June. Make a big turnaround. Nope, I'm looking at right here. What did price do right here? Let's see. That already happened. I sold in the past. Future. Then this right here. Right here, this was our retest. This might be our retest. But we're looking into buy once we cross this 50 point. I feel like that's gonna be look left, trade right. Then we got Amazon also having a tough June. Ooh. But they about to print some money though in July though. I feel like the market about to print all this about to like jump like crazy. This about to jump like crazy. And I was forcing the heck out of Amazon, but also struggles. Let's go to the weekly, daily. Mm. Mm. Distracted like a mother. Hey, Amazon. Man, Amazon's been trading. Hindsight 2020 though. Got a little emotional. Thought Amazon push up more, but all emotions. Price is always telling the truth. It's the last resistance though, and it's like price level right here. Price bounced off this. We're gonna see. And I am pro putting in a bid for sales on Amazon, all these stocks. I trade both ways. It goes down, I go down, goes up, I go down with it, I go up with it. It's about just feeling the price, focusing, and dang, overbought, way overbought, man. The indicator don't really mean it's grateful. Catching this Boom. Here. Two on a weekly. Daily. Shit. Dude. All right. And then oh, 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 oh. Oh man, this is a struggle stream. Struggle stream. Struggle stream. Let me check out the World Cup. World Cup. Oh shit, I'm missing a game. Anyways, damn, hold on, I'm missing a game. I'm missing the Germany game. Germany, every course, Japan, Netherlands, bro. It's gonna be a epic day. All right. The video, on a daily. I don't see anything on the short term, long term. Actually, let's see. Price is trending really good right here. Might reverse. Might. Should have. I don't see nothing crazy turning. Mm-mm. And then this $20 level was a resistance too for a while. This is a resistance, so I feel like it might be like price might turn around right there. SpaceX is brand new, so we're gonna get into the daily, 1 day, the 4 hour, the 1 hour, uh, SpaceX. Just gonna watch out and watch it develop more. It's exciting, bro. Something new to the list. Let's clear this out. Let's see. Spies at last few weeks been tough. Not tough, but been we're seeing some bullish pressure. We're seeing some bullish pressure. Bearish pressure. We're seeing some bearish pressure. Bearish pressure. Bearish pressure. Let me speak. Bearish pressure. Seeing some bearish pressure. Dang, same thing. I'm gonna hold you. Boom. I watch the game. Then Dow Jones. Clear that. Boom. Bulls. Boom. 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 Other than that, that's the end of the live stream, gang. That's the end of the live stream. That's the end of the live stream. It's a great live stream. Let me go on my trading list. AMD popped. Bro, this contracts for booty, but Loki might be a good entry point. It's one. I'm keeping that good. I'm still in the contract. I'm still trade. Oracle came back down to earth fast, but hey, that's 1, 2, 3 good days. So I should have had. So we're gonna see. I still like my trading list. That's kind of gone ski. Honor. 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 Boom. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Thank you for joining me, but I gotta go watch some soccer. It is the World Cup, football World Cup. Ooh, I'm excited, y'all. Ooh, going to trades. It's out of here. It's profits. Hey, y'all make money. Just it's every day. It's an everyday process. It's an inch-one process. It's a slight edge process. Just gotta become better each week. Put in the game. Put in what you want to get out. Put in a little, you can get a little out. Put in a lot, you can get it out. But be mindful. You can't just drive through. Trading is not something you could just force your way. You gotta mentally train yourself and change yourself for the better and for the worse, because you have to handle losses, handle wins, and handle missing out on big wins. You know what I'm saying? So that's something you're gonna work on, but it's gonna take time. It's gonna take time with you. It's gonna take time. But other than that, I am grateful. I'm back. I'm grateful that I'm back. I've been back. I'm grateful that we had this meeting. But hey, man, turn on the World Cup game. Enjoy it. I love y'all. On the trades. Missing you. Goodbye.